Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Put on safety glasses and gloves before you start removing a metal jean button. Work in a well-lit area on a stable surface for control. Place a scrap wood board that is about 1.5 cm thick under the button. Gather a flathead screwdriver and needle nose pliers for the main removal steps. Keep a small hammer nearby in case you need gentle taps later. Clear the workspace of loose threads and pins to avoid snags and punctures. Turn the jeans so the button back faces up and steady the fabric. Slide the flathead screwdriver under the back post at its seam edge slowly. Gently pry upward with controlled pressure to lift the post about 3.5 mm from the base. Rotate the post slightly and repeat prying in small increments to loosen evenly. Stop if the fabric tenses to reposition the board for better support. Keep motions slow to prevent tearing the denim or stretching the buttonhole. Once the post sits raised, clamp its base with needle nose pliers firmly and align straight. Pull the post straight out while keeping steady, even force to avoid ripping the denim. If resistance remains, tap the pliers gently with a hammer to jar the post free. Inspect the fabric hole for fraying and trim loose threads with sharp scissors if needed. Apply a small amount of fabric glue to stabilize frayed edges before installing a new button or snap. Test the new fastener.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.